Hey sis, your natural hair is not hard to manage at all. In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest way that I detangled my dry natural hair using flaxseed gel. And I'm also going to be sharing with you some of the things I added to my flaxseed gel to make it even more potent. So like I said, you're going to be needing flaxseed gel. That's like the primary thing that I use in this video. And if you have not started using flaxseed gel on your hair, hop into this because it is a game changer, okay, especially if you're dealing with dry hair. So I'm going to be adding 1/3 cup of my flaxseed gel. So I had to measure it with that cup to show you exactly the quantity, okay. Now to make it even more potent, I'm going to go on and add my cloves. Guys, clove is another herb that is known for ancient to regrow hair and cure scalp issues. I'm also going to be adding cinnamon stick. Cinnamon helps to condition and soften the hair naturally, okay. Alright guys, so today I'm going to be dropping 3 cups of water, and the measurement of this cup is exactly 250 ml, so that you would know exactly what we are working with. So now I'm going to transfer it to my stove and start cooking. If you've never used flaxseed gel before, then know that this thing has the tendency to spill over, okay. So you have to stand by your pot and regularly turn so that it doesn't burn or spill over. All right, how will you know when your gel is ready? When you start drawing like this, you know that it is ready. Now one tip that I'm going to share with you is to strain it exactly while it is still hot, unless you want your gel to be like thick. If you're looking for a thicker consistency, then maybe you should allow it to cool, then you use like a pantyhose or a wig cap and then strain it. All right, however, if you still strain it while it is hot and leave it, it is still going to thicken afterwards. So these are the ones that I strained with a sieve. You could see how it looks. Now that we have gotten our flaxseed gel, it's time to put it into a container, and this gel can last in the freezer for up to 2 weeks or even more than, okay, if you have stable light. And can you see how my hair looks? You could see the dirtiness and all of that in my scalp, and that is the essence of the clove and the cinnamon that I added. It's going to take care of any scalp related issue at all. So to properly detangle your hair, you're going to be needing these tools that I'm showing you right now, okay. They are really necessary. The brush, I didn't use it so much. I didn't use the brush at all, but the comb, a white tooth comb, is a must-have. Another must-have is water in your spray bottle, or you just put it in a bowl. You can dip your hand in the bowl and touch your hair while you're parting and detangling your hair, okay. Very important. Some of the mistakes that I've seen people do is they start working on a dry hair without putting moisture first. Even though I'm using flaxseed gel, I also still go ahead and spray my hair with water. Very necessary. It helps the gel to stick to my hair much more better and not just slip and fall. Another mistake that you would want to avoid is working on your hair as a whole. To get the best benefit and detangle your hair properly without breaking, like if your goal is minimal breakage, then you have to work in sections. That is the secret goal. Like working in section is going to help you control how much breakage that you get, because when you're working in sections, you will not feel overwhelmed, okay, by the size of the hair. You will take your time and gently finger detangle where necessary, okay. And that is what I do. I finger detangle first while massaging the water on my hair, and then once I'm done finger detangling and dampening my hair with that water, I'm not looking to get my hair wet. I just wanted it to be damp. That way this gel will penetrate much more faster. So once I am done doing that, I'm going to now go ahead and start applying my gel, the flaxseed gel, on the section that I am currently working in. Now can you see how easy it is for me to separate my hair with my fingers? Look at that. So in less than a minute, we went from dry matted hair to a soft workable hair, all thanks to this body hair. Okay, so guys, if you've not been using flaxseed, if you've not heard about it before, you should definitely give it a try. Like all over TikTok, everybody is singing praises about this flaxseed gel, how it works and all of that. But yeah, you can, you know, try it on your hair and see if it works. Right, the first time I tried using flaxseed gel on my hair, I felt like it is not for my hair, and it was because I just went ahead and applied it on my hair without going in to dampen it first with water. And what happened was that the gel was not sticking, and I was not just seeing the result. Okay, so I was applying the gel and it was not giving me what I was looking for, and so I concluded at that moment that flaxseed gel was not for me, until one day I think I came across a YouTuber who I saw dampening her hair with water first before applying flaxseed gel. And I thought, okay, let me try this method. And guys, the moment I did, I got like exactly what I was looking for. I got it and I was like, oh, so this is the secret that I didn't know all this while. Okay, and that is why I encourage you to do the same, especially if you have thick type 4 natural hair. You know that we are not the same with another texture. Like ours is much more, I don't want to use the word harder, but in reality it is much more harder to deal with. Okay, and it requires more technique to deal with. So when you are dealing with thick type 4C hair, you're not just going to pour stuffs on your hair like that and accept it to, like, you know, give you the magic that you're looking for. Okay, while other texture of hair might get away with, you know, just applying flaxseed gel directly on their hair and you will see the coil form, you will see it detangle their hair and all of that. For us, we have to go in first and dampen our hair with water. Okay, yeah, dampen your hair with water so that, and I said damp, I didn't say soaking wet. If it's soaking wet, I think it will slip off. I've not tried it soaking wet, and I don't know, maybe one day I'll try it in the shower, but I've not tried it. I feel like if you try it on a soaking wet hair, it will literally just slip off. And guys, look at that coils. See, let me tell you, you've been lied to. Your natural hair is not hard. Like, it is not difficult to manage. You've not just found the right technique or the right products. And the good news is that these things are natural products that does not require you to spend thousands and thousands of money, okay, to, you know, get your hair to be manageable. All right, it doesn't require so much. All you need is the right product, the right technique and the right tools, and you're good to go. And the best tool so far is actually your finger. Trust me, your best tool is your finger, and your best product is water and this flaxseed gel, and you're good to go. Now, is there alternative for flaxseed gel? Yes, sis. The alternative for me is okra gel. Okra gel is another thing that gives this kind of slip to my hair and help detangle my hair really well. Yeah, the same experience I had with flaxseed initially was the same experience I had with okra gel, where I thought it's not for my hair until I started going in with water first, and then I understood that it's exactly for my hair. Now, another alternative is that I've tried is aloe vera gel too, but you will not extract it the regular way. You will use your fake to extract it, so that way it remains jelly, okay, and slimy. And this is what the hair looks like when I was done detangling all of my hair. At this point, you can go ahead now and shampoo your hair and deep condition if you want to do all of that. And if you don't want to do all of that, you can just maybe rinse it off a little bit and go on with your leave-in conditioner and your cream and seal until you're ready to detangle your hair or wash your hair again. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Okay, have you ever had issues with flaxseed gel before? Let me know in the comment section. And sis, remember, if you've come this far on your hair journey, remember you can always get a bit further, and I'm here to share, you know, my own tips routines and, you know, product that has helped me that will help you too. So kindly subscribe to the channel, share this video to the people you love who would benefit from this video. You never know, you can be helping one or two persons. And I will see you guys in my next video. My name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.